So I'm out cleaning the school garden. Thought I would show everyone what it looks like. So we're going to come over here. We painted a tire. This is common milkweed inside the tire. So the common milkweed spreads with rhizomes under the ground. So we went ahead and thought this would help us control the common a little better. If it does seed, we can put pod covers on it, so then that way we don't have seeds blowing all over the place. We have a little patch of wildflowers right there. Those are our lilies. Got some variety of coneflowers here. This is incredible. This one has all sorts of different colors coming out. We planted some mint here. Mint is a popular for butterflies. It flowers. A lot of people don't realize that. Our yucca, which had bloomed, is now not. This is a Russian sage. They like the smell of it, and it also flowers. We've got quite a few tropical milkweed coming up here. There's a poor hosta that we keep finding the army worms here. So hopefully we found the last of those the other week, but they'll be coming back. Here's some zinnias going on. We've got some pretty colors, orange and this light pink. It's really pretty. We left this Rose of Sharon right here. We're hoping to add another one more larger flowering plant right here. So there's a Rose of Sharon here. These two right here are balloon milkweed. Pretty nifty looking flowers. They hang down. The balloon milkweed has to have two in order to get seed pods. So we bought two of them, but they are a tropical milkweed. So we went ahead and we are going to leave them in pots so that we can bring them in and don't lose them over the winter. So really pretty flowers. Interesting. I'm sure they look like balloons is why they got their name. So we got more Rose of Sharons. We have another yucca here. Planted some giant zinnias there. They're coming up, so we should have those all fall. Some more zinnias. There's a zinnia with a tropical milkweed in the midst of it, and it is actually several tropical there. They're starting to flower actually. More zinnias. Love the zinnias. They seem to really like those flowers. Have some more coneflowers. These coneflowers came to us when we went to visit the butterfly garden down in Bella Vista at the golf course. She gave these to us, so we were really excited about that. Back in this corner, we have showy milkweed in the back. We're going to move those around in the fall to give them more room, because I'll show you the larger showy milkweed here, or not showy, I'm sorry, swamp milkweed, and they get very large, and so we're going to move those a little bit. But we'd put some tropical in front of them, because the tropical, of course, will die off and I'll have to replant next year, but we can spread the showy out. There's some more showy going on. There's all sorts of milkweed going on down here. Have some more over here in this corner also, along with the lilies. And then we actually have a couple that seeded themselves right here in the rocks. I'm just gonna leave them. It's kind of cute. Our coneflowers, these took forever to start coming up. It actually was 2 years before they bloomed. So I do need to trim these back today. So I'll take care of that. We got some wild flowers going on here. We try to plant couple different spots of wildflowers. And then down here we have tropical milkweed, and then here is our swamp milkweed. And I'm going to back up just a little bit. They get quite large. Some purple zinnias in the midst of it. And then all along the back wall we put the tropical milkweed. We've added a couple wildflowers into this tire. Unfortunately, this tire keeps getting bumped, so we might have to rethink and move it to another spot because they get going and then they fail. So wanted to just give you an overview of what the garden looked like. Thanks for joining.